Ever wondered how much you can actually invest with StashAway Simple? You know, that super easy, automated investing option? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the deposit limits for StashAway Simple and answering all your burning questions. So, buckle up and let's get started. StashAway Simple is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, and that extends to its deposit limits. The good news is, they're generally quite flexible, making it accessible to investors of all levels. However, it's important to understand the specific limits to plan your investments effectively. Typically, there's no minimum initial deposit to start investing with StashAway Simple. You can begin your investment journey with even a small amount, which is fantastic for those just starting out. This low barrier to entry makes it incredibly approachable for anyone looking to build long-term wealth. Now, let's talk about the ongoing deposit limits. While there's no strict daily or weekly limit, it's crucial to remember that your investment strategy and overall financial goals should guide your deposit amounts. StashAway encourages consistent, disciplined investing, but it's always wise to invest responsibly and within your means. For example, if your monthly budget allows for a consistent contribution of a certain amount, you can automate those deposits to ensure you stay on track. However, avoid overextending yourself financially. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and consistent, sustainable contributions are key. Some investors might be curious about any maximum deposit limits. While there might be internal limits within the StashAway platform, they are generally quite high and unlikely to be a concern for most individual investors. However, it's always a good idea to review the platform's terms and conditions for the most up-to-date information. Ultimately, the most important factor regarding deposit limits is aligning your investments with your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund, StashAway Simple can be a valuable tool in your investment journey. So, there you have it. A clear overview of the deposit limits for StashAway Simple. Remember, flexibility and accessibility are key features of this platform, making it an attractive option for a wide range of investors. Now, go forth and invest wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.